and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is one that I've been planning to do for ages and I don't really know why I haven't done it before. And it's all about my Pixi beauty favourites. If you've been watching my YouTube channel for a while or you follow me on Instagram especially, the link is down below if you'd like to follow. You'll know that I love Pixi's products, both their skincare and their makeup, and it's just amazing. I love everything about it and the products that actually work as well. So I thought I would do a video showing you my skincare favourites, as it's something I get asked about quite a bit in different videos and comments and things. So I thought I would just show you what I actually use on my skin. Obviously I don't use all Pixi, I use some other brands as well, but this is just showing my favourites from Pixi. I sort of went around that a really long way, but you know what I'm trying to say. So my first favourite is one that is also a huge favourite with so many people, and it's the one I recommend to buy out of everything, and that is the Pixi Glow Tonic. As you can see, this is, I think it's 500ml, yeah, and they also sent me this. As you can see, it has my name on it. This is the one that sent last year, and I already had a few of the normal size open, so that's why it doesn't look like I've used much of it. But they also sent another one this year and I am so thankful. So Pixi, if you are watching it, thank you so much for sending it. Like I said, this is the main thing I would recommend to everyone to try. It is glycolic acid and it's an exfoliating tonic. So it works as a toner. Obviously use it after cleansing, and it just helps your skin to look brighter. And I've also found that it helps my skin to not break out as much, or as often at least. And also, as it is an exfoliator, it helps to get rid of any dead skin on top, so it gives you the glow. But yeah, I've just found this so good for my skin, and since I started using it, I think maybe 2 years ago now, I've seen such a huge difference in my skin. It doesn't break out as much. I mean, obviously you still get a few, but nowhere near as bad. I used to get really big painful ones, and since using this, I only get like a few milli around my chin, which is the main area. But yeah, I just find this amazing. It's perfect for sensitive skin, as mine is. For oily skin, basically it's just amazing. Also, you can get like little travel size bottles. You can get normal size. I'm not sure if you can get these all year round or not. I'm not sure. You can also get them in a travel little tub that are already soaked pads in it, which is so good. So yeah, this, if you're looking to try something from Pixi, it is a bit more expensive, but I would 100% recommend this. As you know, if you watch my channel, I do a lot of videos where I use quite heavy makeup, as it's character inspired. So it's like face paint, heavy makeup, a lot of eye makeup. And sometimes I'll also be filming like 2 videos in a day. So to get the eye makeup off when I'm especially doing that, when I want to leave the foundation and the base on, I will use their makeup melting cleansing gloss. Normally I don't really like makeup removers like wipes or anything like that. I just don't think they really suit my skin, but these, they get rid of even waterproof makeup like so easily. You don't have to scrub your eyes or anything like that. And they also smell so nice, as they have caramel and grapeseed oil infused in them, so that makes them really moisturising and soft on your skin. And like I said, they're perfect if I am filming like 2 or 3 videos in a day and I need to change the eye makeup or just a certain part like lips or anything. They're really good and easy way to get that bit of makeup off, and they're especially good for matte lipsticks, like liquid ones that do not come off. These are the only ones that I can get that off with. And also, look how cute the packaging is, pink and green. I love that, it's so cute. Like I said, with a lot of heavy makeup, it's not always the easiest to get off. And I found that double cleansing when I've got all that makeup on helps so much, and it's the easiest way to get rid of it all, as well as leave my skin feeling nice. So I use Pixi and Caroline Hirons, I think that's how you say her name, double cleanse, which is this in the pot. I'm sorry the light's reflecting, it's the only place I can film today. But this is a solid cleansing oil on one side and a cleansing cream on the other. I love things like this, like the oil, this oil based cleanser on this side is so good at getting literally every trace of makeup off your skin. I use this after my Halloween videos. That's when I really started using it, even though I'd had it for a while. I had used it before, but that's sort of when I figured out that it was amazing. because obviously I was using a lot of heavy makeup, a lot of face paint, matte products that did not want to come off, and this was the only one that got it off first try. And it also didn't feel really harsh on my skin at all. But obviously after you've used an oil, you need to cleanse it again, because it does leave your like an oil residue on your skin. So that's why you follow with the cleansing cream, which is this one. This just makes my skin feel so soft, and it just looks so healthy. I've also found when I've been using this to take makeup off, the next day makeup seems to go on so much better. I don't really know how that works, but it really does. And yeah, it just leaves it healthy, soft, supple, and there's no residue of makeup left whatsoever, even waterproof. So that's good. The next one is the Pixi 24 Karat Eye Elixir, which is this, and it's an under eye roller serum. So this has a roller on the end, and you just put that under your eyes, obviously. So this has age-defying properties and ingredients and peptides, I think that's how you say it, to help smooth fine lines and prevent signs of fatigue. I've actually found this really good for under eyes. Like, I don't really get that big at eye bags, fingers crossed in a minute. But yeah, they can be a little bit puffy, and I found this helps to bring it down, especially if you can put it in the fridge. It makes it cold, and that feels so amazing on your skin under your eyes. Especially in the morning, it kind of wakes you up as well. I've also found this really good because sometimes I get a really twitchy eye, like underneath here. No idea why, no one seems to know, but I do. But this seems to help it stop twitching so much, and I don't really know how or what works in it, but it works, so I'm all for that. I use this morning and night, and I've had this for a while and it's still going strong. So you actually get quite a lot in it, even though it's like quite small. And obviously it's got gold in it. What girl doesn't like gold? Now, I know mists aren't always seen as skincare, but this is one that you can use on its own or under makeup, over makeup, basically any way you want to do it. And that is the Vitamin Wake Up Mist. I wanted to try this for so long. I kept seeing people posting about it, and also on Pixi's own Instagram. So I was so excited to receive this one. Obviously, like it says, it has vitamins in, which are really good for your skin. It kind of acts as a toner as well. And if you use over makeup, it stops your makeup looking cakey and adds hydration at the same time, which is really good, especially as I use a lot of matte foundation and matte products. This helps my face just look a bit more alive. It's also really good on a warm day, as it's sort of cooling to the skin as well at the same time. And as it has orange blossom in it, it smells incredible. And yeah, I just love this, and I use this pretty much every single day. Obviously this is a new one, but yeah, I just love this. Actually, I love all the Pixi mists. There will be one in my next video where I talk about makeup, because there is one that is so good. Actually, there's two. Yeah, either way, the mists that they do are so good, and I still got a couple left to try that they do. And last but in no means least is the Nourishing lip polish. This is the only lip balm I use now. It's just amazing. As I spend a lot of time outside in all weathers, I get really chapped lips, and they go really dry, especially with using a lot of matte lipsticks as well, which does not help, because this is also an exfoliator and a lip balm in one. The little applicator at the end, it has that little bubbly bits type of thing, and that acts like an exfoliator for your lips, which is really good. It helps to get rid of any dry skin there. I also sometimes wear this under lipsticks, especially matte ones, as I just think it helps make your lips look so much better. I always think when you watch skincare videos, people always leave out what they use on their lips, and I love knowing, because I love knowing what actually works. So yeah, that is the main reason why I included this, because it does actually work. So I think they are all my skincare favourites. Obviously they do so many more skincare, that is like their main thing that they do. Obviously I use a few other things like at different times depending on what my skin needs at the time, but these are things I always go back to, and I always recommend to people as well. Especially the Glow Tonic, which is my absolute favourite. I don't know why I would do without that, to be honest. Also the lip balm, which is really good, and I love that too. Basically I just love everything. I'm also going to be doing a makeup favourites from Pixi as well, and that'll be up soon. I don't know when. I'm just trying to do a couple of videos in between to sort of spread them out a bit. So if you want to see my makeup favourites as well, you'll have to make sure you're subscribed so you get notified when that video is also up. But I hope some of you found this helpful, especially if you are planning on buying from Pixi, as I know they are a little bit more expensive. I think you definitely get what you pay for. Their products are incredible. I mean, it's obvious I'm always using them in pretty much every single video. It's always on my Instagram. So yeah, I think they are actually one of my favourite brands all time. And I'm sure that will also show in my next video with makeup. Like I say, I'm also wearing a few of their Pixi products right now. So if you want to see what I use, then you have to wait for that video too. But I hope you liked this video. Please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did. And also leave me a comment below if you have tried any of these Pixi products or anything from Pixi skincare, as I would love to know what you think as well. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!